Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex checking is checking in. We are here looking at Bitcoin. So if you guys watched the last video, the last update I did, we was over here. So it did go up and hit this level. It did come back down here in range, between the range, stayed in this range, and it fell. And it gave us another opportunity. It came down, it gapped down pretty good right here. It gapped down pretty good right here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and remark up the chart. So a bigger time frame real quick. Oh yeah. Remove this trend line here. I'm gonna adjust this one here. Yeah, that's a very tough angle right there, guys. That's a very tough angle. For them guys. All right, back guys. So we got a trend line going down right here. So bears came in, forced the market down to this support level. So we're dealing with a new trading area right now. But let's see the possible lows it may can go. So we'll put a line in here, a support level line here, level of support here. And we'll make sure we go, that was resistance at this point. So let's find the level of support that supported this price. All right here. There was support here. There will be a bit of a resistance here at 40,000. So up in here, 40,000. Be a little resistance there. $40,318. There will be a little resistance there. Let's get rid of this here. We knew the sellers came in, and that's what the market pushed down at. We knew that. So we get that removed. All right. Let's see here. Go back to the smaller time frame, guys. Everything's readjusted here. Got support here, so we got a bit of a support right here. All right, we're gonna drop this here level here. These are the furthest levels it can possibly go at here. 34,000, I doubt it makes it up, but I think it'll be a little resistance at that 40,000. before we go out of here. But I know the bears are in the show, so this thing could possibly drop down to another level here. But right now, we're heavily overbought right now. So maybe it might come back down here and tap in here. And we might be trading in this area for a while before it decides to break out to the top, to the upside. Right now, the bears are in, so we'll see how long the bears stay in. But this is this I would consider these people would consider this as, and this once you hit this area a buying opportunity. We'll see if it create any more other buying opportunities even at lower prices. So we will see. We'll remove this one here. Let's move this one up here. Make this adjustment here to the hour chart. I'm gonna just made this one here and we'll put the support there. There we go. We have a bit of a resistance here. Sellers, more sellers come in the market here. Push this thing down. We're gonna put a price target here to hit low at the 40,000 mark. All right, so we know we got a potential area, two potential areas where it may can go. Let's get here. Let's go to the bigger time frame. We have this area here. Let's thin this another one out. Let's fix that too as well while I'm at it. All right, guys, this is what we have here. This is what we have here. This is what we have. All right, this is it. That's the analysis. We're going to see whether it's going to continue to move to the downside or whether it's going to break the trend line. Let's get an alert on that trend line. 47,000 is break this here. It's going to the upside. At least going into this trade between 53,000, 66.1 and 47.8. But if it just breaks it and falls back down, then it's going to stay between the 47 to 40, between 40 range before it start moving back up again. But that is the analysis, guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.